If you're looking to source winning products on JungleScout, this quick guide will walk you through how to use the software effectively to find profitable items that can help you scale your Amazon business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your product research, JungleScout offers powerful tools that can save you hours of guesswork. First, let's talk about how to get started. JungleScout's main tool, the product database, lets you filter through thousands of products to find exactly what you're looking for. The first thing you need to do is choose the right filters. These are crucial because they help you narrow down the massive product selection on Amazon to only those that meet your criteria. Start by setting a minimum and maximum price range. It's key to focus on products that are profitable but not too expensive to prevent high competition. Next, set the minimum and maximum sales numbers. This gives you an idea of how much potential a product has. Once you've applied those filters, JungleScout's algorithm will display a list of products. This is where the real magic happens. You can dive deeper into each product's details like the average monthly sales, the number of reviews, and how competitive the market is. If a product has a high number of monthly sales but low competition, it's a strong candidate to pursue. But don't just go for the first thing that looks good. Analyze the trend over the last few months to ensure it's a consistent performer. Now, let's look at the product tracker. This tool lets you track products over time so you can monitor their performance before deciding if you want to sell them. It's all about making data-driven decisions, and the product tracker is a great way to see if a product's demand is increasing or declining. One of the key features of JungleScout that sets it apart is its ability to show you the sales estimates of other sellers. By understanding how much competition is generating in terms of sales, you can make better decisions. You can also view the product's history on Amazon to see how it's been performing. This gives you valuable insights into how seasonal demand might affect your product's sales. As a new user, you might also want to take advantage of JungleScout's Niche Hunter tool. This feature will help you find a profitable niche within your broader product category. Niche Hunter shows you a list of subcategories, and you can filter by demand, competition, and profitability to discover untapped opportunities. A quick tip for success on JungleScout is to always cross-check multiple data points. Don't rely on one source of information to make a decision. Use the combination of JungleScout's product database, sales analytics, and Niche Hunter to build a comprehensive view of your potential product. If you've been doing your product research and wonder where to find these products, JungleScout also integrates with Amazon Sales Page, allowing you to see exactly how well a product is doing in real time. You can assess whether the current trends match up with your expectations, helping you make an informed decision faster. One more thing. JungleScout has a helpful feature called the Supplier Database. This tool lets you track the suppliers behind the products you're considering. Knowing where your products come from and how well those suppliers perform is a great way to mitigate risk when scaling your business. Before wrapping up, don't forget you can get access to JungleScout completely free with an exclusive bonus through the first link below. This is a limited time offer that gives you a chance to try the software risk-free and see firsthand how it can help you source winning products. And that's it. To recap, JungleScout offers several powerful tools to help you source winning products, analyze competition, and track sales trends. If you're serious about finding profitable products and scaling your Amazon business, JungleScout is an invaluable asset. Remember, click the link below for your exclusive and extended free trial. Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your e-commerce game today.